I know this is like a big, big basket, you know, but only one is, this one's cute, but it's small. So I'm gonna be putting the boy and girl angel tree together basket. Let's start with the boxes, I guess. Don't know how to do it, but I'm not good at them putting, you know, like to look aesthetically pleasing like everybody else. Whatever. Oh, look like it was broken. Still didn't finish. I know. Should have started recording. I got this stuff. Whatever. Oh, my brain's not working. I want to hurry up. I go home. Be there for my son before he goes to work. Help him with outfit, stuff to get together, you know. Still don't look good. Seriously. I don't know how they do it. I put two on top like that, one on top. Oh. I think there's no more boxes. Got the bags. I'm not gonna do it that good. It'll be so cute. So, I'm expecting it to be that cute. And, well, it's only 2 socks, because the other ones I mentioned are for the bird basket. Hold on. Oh. That would be cute. This one would be cute for the girl. And for the boy. Mistake, I got an extra one. That's for the girl. And I just gotta look for the rest of the stuff. Don't know if I should leave it here or not because they might move it. Darn. I can't believe it. This Dollar Tree, Rosebank area. Why would they put the makeup this way instead of where the makeup is the other way in the front, like they usually do? I bet it was here all along and I didn't notice it. So it's where the makeup area is. Wow. We got hard one. You're recording by yourself. It's not gonna be aesthetically pleasing and all that. They have this one, Warm Rose Blush. Great. And this one is Soft Pink Blush. Look at this one. This watermelon scented lip oil of Wicked. Maybe we should add that to the woman bird basket. Yes, bird basket. Sorry. These are cute. Highlighting stick with watermelon extract. That'll be cute for the woman basket. I don't know about men. I gotta check anything of men. That's cute. It's like pink, so. They have these LA Colors eyeshadow stick. This one is Cruisin'. That's the name of it. Cruisin'. This one is Glam. That one is Fashionista. I think Fashionista will be cute for the basket. This one is Groovy. Intuition. Gianni Whiskers and Wispies. Oh, it was supposed to be eyelashes, but they put it there. And this is Yanni Veil of Lore Beauty Bar. This one is Plum Rose. Wow. Those are different workers all over. Now it's over here. It's kind of cute. Plum Rose. No, it's Warm Toffee. Liquid lipstick chocolate martini. Oh, that sounds good. Put that in the basket. And this one too, though. On those. This chocolate martini. Bloody Mary. Oh my God! Is this are these Halloween, or just the name of it? Daiquiri. It's like brownish. This one is Cosmo. Ooh, look at that color. Cosmo. Cosmo. sorbet. Spritz. Don't know. Cocoa. Since I can't see the inside, I don't know if it's cute or not. Raspberry. Black. Cherry. Rose gleam. Energizing glow mist. And I have these. This. These, which is what's the name of it? Don't know. Let me show like the flavor scent. This one, Flip Crayon, Rumors.
Red, 7.
Okay. Watermelon, green apple, lemon. I have the backbone caramel apple, and pumpkin latte. And this one, winter berry. Red velvet sugar scrub. With sea salt and cucumber. Maybe the guy will like that. This one is sugar plum. This is Christmas. I think I did that one. And they have these like Crayola. Spider-Man. These are like for guys, I guess. I don't find much for guys. Sorry. Try my best. Hopefully I'll find something like you need to check. I'm sorry. Then they have Squishmallows. I think this will be cute for the woman. So they got pink. This green one. Yeah, I gotta put all this back. That Barbie. purple one. What was the other one? Green. Pink. And Barbie. Spider-Man. The green. The red. Okay. What about the blue? Spider-Man. I don't think I need that much, right? Yeah. It has this pink sugar and shower body balm. I think this pink sugar thing is cute. I think the woman's gonna get more than the man. This is, I think it's a body scrub. Yeah, okay. This is so heavy, so I'm not getting this one. This body wash. And body mist. Big candle. When I have the money, I don't find much. You know, when I have the money, yeah. You know what I mean. If I have the money, I don't find much. And then when I have no money, you find a lot. Honey Crystal body scrub. Honey cream body wash. The sugar plum. And hot cocoa. Did I get the hot cocoa? No, I got a different one. Too bad. I get extra. And they have. Oh well. Back on. Look at the guy. Finding wicked stuff here. Are you kidding me? This is insane. They have these things. Body scrub, Barbie. Disney villains. Great body scrub. These are so cute. Then you have Stitch bubble bath. I'll get that for the guy because I don't have much for the guy. That's about it, I think, hopefully. Disney. Oh, I got that. Disney look good. I have these. Be Puree gel body wash. That one. And that one. So today must be my lucky day. Coming here. Something kept telling me, come here to Dollar Tree and Rosebank Avenue. Because near the, you know, like I mentioned, it usually is supposed to be away from the makeup section. They used to have, I don't want to show because people are like a worker and stuff. Where the makeup section is in the front, it's supposed to be there, but it's not. So they're putting it like in the back. So, where I was over here, and then across is over here, hand sanitizers and all that bath bomb, body scrub. Bam! Right here. The Frozen Lip Care, Lip Balm and Lip Gloss Collection. This is the lip balm, vanilla, which was different kind of, you know, scent, but, and then they have the frozen nourishing lip balm. This one's cute. I don't know if I should get that or not. I got plenty of lip gloss and lip balms. Don't know. Anything. Think about it. And I have this one. Doesn't say. Just says lip gloss. Don't like lip gloss with glitter. All the same. That is crazy. Oh, to have it here a little in the bottom. Shower gel. I think that should be for the guy. Hopefully you don't mind, guys. I found more for the... I'm sorry. I found more for the woman than for men. And I have this thing. I think that's about it, I think. I don't know. Ooh, bath crumble blueberry scented. I have these bluey bath confetti. That's cute. Care Bears Color Twist bath bomb, cotton candy. And that frozen blizzard dust. These are cool. Wish I had that when my son was little. I have all these, Mickey. Up there. They have bath slime. Watermelon scented. And that foam soap. They have a huge